Hello everyone. Have you ever wondered how to find a research topic for your research idea? Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Shomu's Biology. Do you ever wonder as a researcher where to find a good research idea for your research proposal writing? And even if you write the research proposal, you need to cross check whether your idea is unique enough to stand out from the rest of the existing ideas. Now, this is a very complicated matter and not many suggestions, not many softwares or applications available out there that can suffice this. I've been getting these questions for last few years, but I am in constant search for a device or a tool that gives me important listing of ideas based on the topic that I am major in, and I can put the name of some 2-3 topics, and based on that topic it can give you unique research idea. Not only it can give me unique research ideas, but also it can give me content gap idea. It can give me the existing background papers, research papers associated with that idea, and how can I formulate a research proposal outline with the help of a single device, a single application every single time with unique ideas. And if you want to get this particular so if you want an application to deliver this to you, it will take ages for you to search manually through the internet searches and everything. But I have a tool, I finally found a tool for you which can give you good research topic ideas, unique research topic ideas, and also about the guidelines to write a research proposal to initiate your career as a researcher, to start writing research proposals and to start writing a research paper. And the name of this application here is Avexana. Actually, this is not application, it is a browser based system right now. Avexana.com. You can see Avexana.com. This is the home page, and it says that pursue a research that matters most. We find research gap helping you advance your field and make significant contributions to your knowledge and to the knowledge of the scientific domain. So what this Avexana tool can do, let's find it out with this video. Now, to be honest, I haven't used Avexana earlier. I used it only one time to just see and check whether it's going to give me a real research ideas with a good concrete research ideas or not. And to my surprise, it gave a pretty good solid research ideas. So I've used it for as like a basic purpose, but you know that was a trial version, so you can try it for free for that purpose. But now I personally purchased the plan, so I can show you the details about the features that you're going to get with the purchase plan. It's your choice to either get it or not get it, but at least go through this video to understand what I'm about to say. Alright, so here I'm going to give you a quick summary about the Avexana workflow, the sequences of events that will be followed in the Avexana workflow that will help you to build a strong, unique thesis for your thesis topic. So start with the formulation. You need to start and click the formulate option, and after formulation comes in a topic selection. You can choose a topic from the provided topic list. Generally 5 topics will be provided to you. You need to choose any one of it. Then you need to refine the topic. If you like the topic or don't like the topic, it's fine. You can click refinement and that will give you more and more topic ideas based on the refinement. Now once you find a suitable topic of your interest, you can lock that topic and start working on that topic. Once you lock the topic, you'll get to know about the topic name as well as the topic details with the score with the content gap or research gap. Now review the summary and references whether you're okay with this. If you are okay with this, then you can see the research gap percentage. Now the percentage score is designed in a way that the lower the percentage, the unique and the more unique the topic that you're choosing for. Okay, so if you are satisfied with the research gap score, it's fine. Otherwise, you can click and edit that topic and do further refinement of the topic, and again check the percentage after refinement. And again, if you're satisfied with the percentage, you can continue with that topic name and details. And if you're not satisfied, you continue to do the test again and again and again until and unless you reach your desired topic research gap percentage score. Once you reach that, that's the end of it. You know, you have the percentage value, the research gap, you have the topic name, you have the topic details, topic summary, and the references materials to read to make a template for writing your own thesis. We are going to see all these different steps and processes at this video in the upcoming times. So the tool that I'm going to talk about, the website that I'm going to talk about is known as Avexana So avexana.com. Just click this link in Google and you are going to get this avexana.com. Okay, so you just go inside this link and you are going to see this page, and where you can either try it for free or you can log in. There is a pricing, I'll discuss about that later on, but I tried it for free once and it turned out to be really good. There are some features that you can get when you update, but I have already my login credentials with the Gmail, so I'm going to log in with Gmail here. So with my Gmail account, I'm going to log in, and then I'm going to show you exactly what we are going to get from avexana.com. So see, I'm already logged in, and try now. So this is what we are going to get. Find your personalized thesis topic. Yes, as I mentioned you that they are going to give you a personalized thesis topic, unique thesis topic that is not shared by any other person in the world, and that's a guarantee that they share, that same topic is not being shared and not being written by anybody else in the world apart from the person who is using it using Avexana. Once you log in, the most important step that you need to do is about your information. This part is very, very important, and here you need to fill the details very carefully. That is your name, full name, first name, last name, your degree and role, in this case either bachelor's, master's, PhD and others, so whatever you can select. Field of study you can select, primarily it is selected as science. Next, in the next step you can select your school, the location of it, your major. This is very, very important. Remember that the primary academic subject or area of focus that you have chosen to specialize within your field of study, this is very, very important. Now if you don't fill this correctly, the thesis topic is not going to be much accurate. To get a much accurate thesis topic, you need to select that major of yourself. So for example, if you are major in microbiology and want a thesis topic related to microbiology, you need to select microbiology. If you are related to biochemistry, then write biochemistry. If you are related to let's say if you are related to biotechnology, you will write biotechnology. If you are related to zoology, you will write it here. If you are related to environmental sciences, you write it there. So you write this major here, and then this is a minor, secondary academic subject or area of focus that you have chosen to study. Now this is something where under your major subject, like the major subject is microbiology, so what is the minor? So let me say that, let's say antibiotic resistance. Okay, so under microbiology, microbiology is my major topic, my minor topic is antibiotic resistance. Okay, and then I'll click next. Then I get to this topic. I need a topic, I have a supervisor to suggest me, I have a topic. There are three options in the tab. So in this case, if you want to produce a topic and your supervisor is not giving you any topic, select I need a topic. Otherwise you'll go to I have a topic suggested by supervisor, you can write it there, or if you have a topic you can write the name of the topic. But I don't have a topic, so I'll just select I need a topic, and here you'll list of topics you'd like to cover. So here some of the topics I already have written. Antimicrobial form plant sources. So I wanted to know whether the plants and the compounds, the secondary compounds of the plants related and their antimicrobial activities. Antimicrobial from the Indian spices, for example, Indian spices. This is something. And also write about the probiotics in Indian curd. Okay, so these are some arbitrary topic. You know, I'm not formulating the exact thesis idea here, but I'm writing out some topics related to my major and minor subject. Okay, you can click include major and minor subject, or you can untick that. I don't need that because I already mentioned the topics pretty much pinpointed towards microbiology subject. Antimicrobial extracts from Indian plants. Okay, Indian plant sources. Antimicrobial from Indian spices. Antimicrobial compounds from Indian spices, and probiotics in Indian curd. These are the three topics that I put here, not the broad area of the topic. Then I click the next, and here it will prompt you everything, that is the degree, master, field of study science, university India, major microbiology. The topic that I already enlisted 2, 3, 4, 5 topics, and has a supervisor, yes or no? I selected no. Then this is the final step, click confirm and submit, and now Congratulations, your profile has been successfully set up. Once the profile is set up, now you can deal with the details. Okay, start exploring topics. Click start exploring topic, and then you'll come to this thesis topic idea. So my information here, it was saved. Now next to it, the thesis topic idea, and this is where you need to click on formulate, and that's it. Now look for the magic to happen. Wait for the magic to happen, because this is where it will take some time, 1 minute to 1.5 minutes to 2 minutes maximum, and it's going to spit out some amazing results. And be prepared to be amazed, because I've tried it once before, I'm trying it again, and they have updated it a little bit, so that after the update I'm making this video for you. So let's wait and see the thesis topic that they are going to provide me, because now they are scrapping all the information available in the public domain to find out which topic is not represented earlier. And here you go with 5 important topics are there successfully generated. So let's read the topic. First one, evaluating the efficiency of Indian plant derived antimicrobial agents against common pathogens. Very simple one. MSc level, remember these are all master level thesis. Now if you want PhD level thesis, you need to select your education background as PhD in the My Information section. The next one is identifying potential applications of antimicrobial compounds found in traditional Indian spices. Okay, investigating the role of probiotic strain present in Indian fermented dairy products. Comparing the therapeutic properties of commercially available probiotics with those naturally occurring in Indian curd. Assessing the impact of processing methods on the stability and viability of probiotics in Indian curd preparations. So these are something really interesting, and I personally believe this last one, that assessing the impact of processing methods on the stability and viability of probiotics in Indian curd preparation. This is interesting one. Or else you can also select this one, like comparing the therapeutic properties of commercially available probiotics with the naturally occurring Indian curd, because Indian curd is available and it's delicious to eat, and with the so much costly probiotics that are available. So if you select this particular topic, you can either compare any of this topic or select this, and once you select this topic, you can compare any 2 topics. You can see here. So you can compare any 2 topics. Once you select this, you can select any 2 topics. Okay, compare them together to get an idea about what that supposed to mean. So for example, I compared these last 2 topics, and if I click compare, it's going to give me some data regarding comparison between the 2 topics, means what you are going to expect while writing the thesis based on either of these topics. Alright, so let's say let's assume that we are going to select this one, comparing the therapeutic properties of commercially available probiotics with those naturally occurring in Indian curd. So you'll select this topic, and you can either refine this topic or you can lock a topic. Okay, so once you select a topic, you can say either refine or lock. Refinement means you can make this topic little modified, even much like even if it seems a little broader to you, you can make it more concentrated if needed. Okay, and next, either you can lock this topic. Once you click locking of the topic, that topic will not be shared with anybody else. Whoever is using the same application, they are not going to see this topic. Even the topic that they are suggesting are unique to you. Okay, so I'll click lock. So you need to give few minutes for them to lock it. Now from this set onwards, it may take some time for this application to provide you the data. So it may take 2 to 3 minutes depending upon your internet connection. So don't get bothered. Just wait patiently and you are going to see the work done. So the time is up and we can clearly see that the topic is locked, and once the topic is locked, you can see your thesis topic, and it will show that comparing the therapeutic properties of commercially available probiotics with those naturally occurring in Indian curd. That topic is ready, and not only the topic title that is ready, but also the topic summary is given. The research gap on that topic is provided with the score range, and implication is also provided. Now, isn't it beautiful? And this is very, very important. It's not this particular application is not only giving you the name of the thesis topic, but it's giving you the topic summary, it's giving you the research gap to work upon, and it's giving you a score range. So you can see that research gap is the topic, a specialized area of research that has gained attention in recent years. Your research topic is 42.14% relevant to the articles in our data. So it searched and surfs all the database regarding the scientific articles and found out that this research topic is 42.14% relevant. So near 50% relevant. Now if you need more relevant topic, you can just unlock this and go to select another topic and work on another topic. Like say if you want to work work with a topic which is of 70% relevant or 80% relevant, you can do that. But this is just to give you an example that this topic is 42% relevant. Implications, you can see the score range. Your topic has low coverage in the existing literature. It is highly likely to be a research gap. 30 to 70%, your topic has moderate coverage in the existing literature. It is likely to be research gap after some refinements. And the score range is greater than 70% means your topic has high coverage in the existing literature. It requires significant refinement to find a research gap. Now in our case, the topic, as you can see, the score is 42.14%. that belongs to 30 to 70% range and near about 30 actually. So 42 is closer to 30 and closer to 70. Your topic is moderate coverage and likely to have a research gap after some refinement. So without taking this directly as it is, as per the score, it is telling us that we need a little bit of refinement. Now what we need as a research topic of relevancy, this value must be less than 30%. If this value is less than 30%, then we can tell that yes, this is something completely new and there is highly likely to be a research gap that we can find. Okay, so this should be your target to reach there. Although 42% is not a bad score, but you need to get a score which is lower than 30%. Okay, so in this case, if you select this particular topic, the topic summary is provided. Research on comparing the therapeutic property. However, some studies have shown that the both sources can offer health benefits and their probiotic content. So this set is already written. This portion is already written. Now what I can do is that I can click on refine to go with the refinement of the topic, because I wanted to make sure that the score range is 0 to 30%. That very low coverage in existing research must be present on a topic that I'm dealing with to make sure that the topic is unique enough. Okay, so the refinement successfully generated. Again, another generation is done for that topic. So when I click refinement, it's not working with only that particular topic and giving us 5 more relatable topic. Effectiveness of commercial versus natural probiotic strains on our gut health. Immune system benefits from consuming Indian curds versus store-bought probiotics. Impacts of different fermentation process or probiotic potency. Comparison of lactic acid bacteria species present in Indian curd and commercial products. Nutritional value analysis between homemade yogurt and marked probiotic supplements. Now among them, I believe like we can go with comparison of lactic acid bacteria species present in Indian curd and commercial product. So let's say this is the one. I lock it. So again, it will take some time to lock and also to give us the information, and again we are going to see the score, we are going to see the thesis summary. So just wait for it. Now this is the time where you need to just tweak it a little bit up and down, right? Earlier we got a score of 42%, which is decent, not very bad, but we want better, so we are going to work for that. Okay, so this is what we are going to do multiple times until unless we get what we want, what we desire, and once we get that thing, then we continue with that thesis writing with that particular thesis topic. So this is the way we can choose a thesis topic from this huge part of the research papers. You know, the first thing that comes to our mind while starting to search for a thesis topic is where to begin, where to end. We need to read all the different summaries and all the existing research papers. It's kind of inhumane to go through everything and to find out a topic of our choice which is not very common, and the research paper on the topic is not very clearly available, not very easily available. So something we can work on, and obviously in the field of research, if you do it for the first time, has higher and more value than whatever you do it for the later or next time. So it's always better idea that you do it for the first time. So here you can see that the topic that we selected, again a research score is 43%, so near about the similar. So yeah, so earlier one was better, 42 point something, now is 43.44. So for your understanding, I can stick to this one and continue. Otherwise you can see the comparison of lactic acid bacteria species present in Indian curd and commercial products. This is something will give us 43.44%, so you can continue to work on that. So now the better way that you can deal with this and to find out a thesis topic with a better score is to go through the research materials that are provided and read them and edit this. For example, we have edited this: analyzing antimicrobial effects on turmeric extract on common bacterial strain, investigating cinnamon's potential as a natural antibiotic agent, evaluation of clove oil for its inhibitory action against the pathogenic microorganisms. So assessment of ginger root powder's capability to combat harmful bacteria, identifying active compounds in cardamom responsible for its antibacterial properties. So for example, if we talk about the clove oil, and we'll click refine, we'll get further refinement on that, and we want even more detailed because evaluation of clove oil for its inhibitory effect against pathogenic microorganism is a broad spectrum. Here we get the detailed topic list: effectiveness of clove oil in suppressing growth of Staphylococcus aureus bacteria, antifungal properties of clove oil against Candida albicans yeast strains, comparison of antimicrobial activity between pure eugenol and whole clovic essential oil extracts. Okay, like this. So for example, if I go with the second one and lock this, then it's going to take me to the next page with the score and the body, basically the abstract of the topic. So again, see, the new topic came in and the research gap is again now it's increased, so we need to again refine the topic. So in this way, what you need to do is you need to interact with this platform. The thing is that this platform is not fixed. It's not like a machine that will spit out the data to you. Obviously, it will give you the data based on your preferences, based on your subject of expertise, but you need to interact with this application. The application will learn from you. You will learn from the reading materials that are out there. Now from 48%, you can see the topic, research topic gap came to 44.35%. So it reduced down. So you can tweak this topic in so that you can get a score which is close to 30 and something, which is going to give you an idea. But again, if you go to this research and reading materials, you'll get all the things that are needed. So you just click the link and read them in details to get new information, and then you can come back and always edit this topic by clicking this edit button, and you can after editing you can also check the refinement to finally reach a desired score and a desired summary with your desired thesis topic of interest. So remember, this is what we got till now: the comparison of lactic acid bacteria species present in Indian curd and commercial products. This is something that we got, and now once we get this, we can easily copy this topic summary, we can save it. We have the topic title, we have the topic summary. Both of these are important components of thesis that we got. Now click on research reading materials. Now it will also show us 10 most relevant results here, and you're going to see all these results. So thermal inactivation of bacterial pathogens. This one, if you click, it will open up, and not only so it will open up in the PDF form. You can see that if you click them, it's opening up. So all the papers are opening up. You can see that this is the research paper, this is another paper. Okay, so these are all the research papers that are open up. Okay, the moment we click them from these links. So from this different research papers, either review papers or research papers, you can get to know about the topic that you are going to start writing in your thesis. Okay, so you'll get all the idea from here, and these are relevant topics. You can always find that the 10 results are always be there. So this is clear now. So what we got the topic, thesis topic name, we got the thesis topic summary with the research gap content score. We also got the reading material for you to formulate further a research proposal. Now it's time to build your thesis proposal. You click the thesis proposal. Now this is the proposal builder, helping streamline proposals from start to finish. This is the second part of this application. It says the say goodbye to the time consuming proposal writing where you had to develop template to work. Now template is already fed, so you need to put some data and it will always give you the result. Okay, this is the proposal builder. You can create polished professional proposal and no time. So either download topic abstract reading list, you can download them, or edit a proposal or share it. So a series of questions appear to develop a proposal later on. So what we can do is that download now. If you click download now, it's going to be downloaded. You can see the proposal. The proposal is already in this format: comparison of lactic acid bacteria species present in Indian curd and commercial products, and my name and everything, my dates and my location is there. Now you can see the abstract is already written, it's pre-written. You can see the instruction page, the methodology, the results, and the references, and already the references are in place. The references that this application showed us is already in place. So remember, these are the references, it's already shown. Now edit a proposal. How can you edit the proposal? So this is the result. This is what we got as a result. Okay, this is the proposal, and now you need to modify this. You have the topic name, you have the abstract. Now what you need to do, you need to continue the introduction part of it by reading all the research proposals and paste the references. You build the introduction, then you need to follow a methodology and the result. This is something definitely depends on you. Nobody is going to give you their results or methodology. You need to find the methodology by reading all the 10 or even more than that research papers already provided to you. Formulate the methodology, continue with the experiments in the lab and find with the results and write the results, and ultimately you have the references already written. So it will save you ton of time, believe me, because if I got this software earlier, then it will have a lot, like this would help a lot. This software may help in your MSc thesis, your summer internship programs, your PhD thesis, postdoc writings and many more. Now you can also edit a proposal by clicking the edit button. You can build it. What is your motivation behind pursuing this topic? What would be your research thesis subject? What are your research questions? Are there any limitations? What would be your research method? How will data be collected and analyzed? What material will be used? And what are your intended outcomes? So this is something that you can always write, and once you write this, after writing all of this, and then you need to select build proposal, it will build the research or thesis proposal. So I've written all these things, some of the components I've written. Let's click the build proposal now. So it says everything is corrected, and click build proposal. So now it will build the proposal for us. Now click download the proposal. The proposal has been downloaded. Okay. So there are two things, earlier this is something that we had. Now we have the introduction part written. So earlier what we had, the difference between these two is that earlier when we did it with the research reading materials and thesis topic, it gave us a proposal where we had abstract, but in introduction, methodology and result sections were missing. But now with this method we are going to get introduction to find out the role of Indian culture. So all these things are written. Which type of lactobacillus present in Indian curd? Are they same as provided by commercial probiotics? Are they good enough to maintain gut health? Only lactobacillus cannot provide sufficient gut health management is written. Methodology that taste the Indian curd to find out various. So everything is written. The lines of things are written already. Means basically what we wrote in the different lines are represented by this data. Okay, simple as nothing else. So you can either stick to the proposal initially provided, or you can go to find out a proposal with all these outlines. Both of them can work. Whatever you can work for you, you can go with it. Alright, so you've seen both the type of proposals. Either you can get the proposal with the abstract written, but the introduction, methodology, results sections not outlined, with reference obviously, which was this one earlier. And now with when you answer some questions, you get a format like this. Now this is going to give you a format. Like thesis writing is not a matter of joke. It takes much more time than this, but you at least get to know about the topic. You get to know about what to write, what not to write, how to start, where to end, and the reference list in front of you with the help of a click. And generally it takes around, this whole process will take around 5 to 10 minutes of your time. Okay, so I think this is a tool that is required by every single academic, and this is the only tool that I came to know right now. So if you click upcoming features, thesis template writing, thesis presentation, and Avexana editor, there are other features coming soon, but this is something that is placed. So you can try this tool on your own. And if you click the pricing part, one-time fee is given for Explorer version €20, Pioneer €50, and Discover version into chat. The difference is the Explorer version, you can only get one unique topic. Obviously you'll get plenty of topics, but from those plenty of topic you need to select only one topic. You can lock only one topic and work with that topic. With Pioneer version you can go with and work with 3 unique topics, and for Discover version more than 3 topics. That is your choice. So you can click the choose a plan and you'll be selected to that part. Okay, So this is it, and you can also give them feedback, because this is a new tool to work with and developers are working day and night to develop this tool. So you can write to them directly about this topic. So that is kind of it regarding Avexana. To find out research topic, to find out thesis topic, and not only to find out a thesis topic, but also to formulate the thesis topic guidelines and how to write a thesis topic in less than 10 minutes. This is what we got. Okay, but remember, my information section is very, very important, even most important. This is the crucial part. Without this, you cannot even continue. Then you'll get the thesis topic idea. Try to find out a suitable score based on your requirement, and the research and reading materials will also be provided. You can always go and read them and to build the methodology and experiment and results part. So that's all about Avexana, the best tool to write your research topic, write your thesis topic, find your thesis topic and write your thesis topic. If you like this video, please hit the like button, share this video with your friends and subscribe to get more videos like that in future. Thank you. Bye.